I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
And spice.
Today we're making Monsters University homemade ramen. And why are we making homemade ramen, might you ask? Well, what do college students eat more than ramen?
Nothing.
Come on. So we're going to make a healthier homemade version for you right now. What do we start with?
First, we are going to take these leeks and saute them in a decent amount of olive oil with garlic, a big pinch of salt, reduce the heat and let them simmer for about 5 minutes till they're nice and soft.
Once your leeks and garlic are nice and soft, we are going to add our chicken in.
Our chicken has the bone and the skin, which is going to enhance our flavor. So we're going to add that and brown it on both sides. You want to make sure that the heat is high enough that you get a really good sear on the chicken, but not so high that your leeks get burned. Once your chicken is nice and brown on both sides, you're ready to add your stock.
Chicken stock! You can of course make your own chicken stock, but we use the boxed kind because what college student has time to make their own chicken stock at home?
We've got our chicken, our stock, our salt, our leeks, and our garlic in the pot. We're gonna simmer it for about 2 hours until the chicken is
nice and tender.
Ding, 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 ding. See you then. All right, our stock is ready. Our chicken is here. We've shredded most of it. We're gonna finish this and enjoy. So you're going to add your shredded chicken. And to shred it, it's very simple. You just wanna pull the skin off and then pick off all of the meat, avoiding the bone. The instant noodle, which is what Top Ramen, Cup of Noodles, all those are, was actually invented by this company.
Oh, really?
In the late 50s. It is considered by many Japanese to be their greatest invention of the 20th century.
Noodles?
So we've got all our chicken in. We're gonna add to it our instant noodles.
We're using the noodles from Top Ramen. Toss that chicken flavor out.
We don't need that.
We don't need that. Did you know that before he was cast as the voice of Mike Wazowski, Billy Crystal actually was offered the part of Buzz Lightyear in Toy Story, but he turned it down. So when they came and offered him the part of Mike Wazowski in Monsters, Inc., he jumped on it. So we have our frozen peas, and we have our fresh corn, and we have our diced carrots.
So we cook this for 8 minutes till the noodles are super soft, and then we're gonna serve them in a surprise cup.
Oh,
What?
It is a surprise. Stick around for that. Look how crazy good that looks.
Final touches, cayenne, paprika, and some fresh cracked pepper.
Love it. Do you want to know a really cute fact about Boo, our favorite character from
I'd love
Monsters,
to.
Inc.? So when they were making Monsters, Inc., the girl that played Boo was so tiny, she couldn't remember her lines, so they just followed her around with the microphone while she played and then cut bits and pieces of what she would say into her character. Isn't that so cute?
So let's serve ourselves some ramen, shall we?
Please.
We have these amazing Monsters University mugs.
We got them at the Disney store. It's a fun way to eat your Monsters University ramen when you're in your college dorm. To Monsters University.
Can't wait to see it.
Mmm. Holy cow.
It's delicious.
You guys, you've never tasted a cup of noodle like this before. Check out our Mike Wazowski apples and learn how to do our awesome Monsters Inc. nails in our other videos.
See you soon.